Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular Jude, walking in the Word. We are getting close to the end of our series that we're doing here on benefits of Hurricane Ian. We got the last two episodes coming up today and tomorrow. Today we are talking about, in both of these things that I'm talking about today and tomorrow, is dealing more with a spiritual aspect and my relationship to God. Okay. So the what I want to talk about today is this number 12. It's a wake up call to the church. Okay, the church here in the United States, possibly around the world too, has been just kind of lulled into just like living life and doing our thing and so forth. And yeah, I might need Jesus, but I can do things on my own and so forth. And having that attitude, and we in the United States are really guilty of that, of an attitude of we can just do whatever we want to on our own. We don't need God's help. But hopefully this was a wake-up call to the church to we need to call on God, okay? And we're going to talk about calling on God and repenting tomorrow. But today I wanted to focus on it's a wake-up call to the church, okay? I'm going to read from Obadiah. Obadiah is, you're going to turn to there, and if I tell you chapter 7, you're looking at me like, I can't find chapter 7. There is no chapter 7 in Obadiah because Obadiah has one chapter, and that's it. So when you refer to the book of Obadiah, you refer to it, what verse you're turning to. So I'm going to read from the book of Obadiah today, verses 2 through 4, okay? And this is a prophecy concerning Edom. Edom were enemies of Judah, and they were prideful, really prideful, but God was going to bring them down. Edom were descendants of Esau, okay, going way back, but they were always neighbors to Israel and Judah, and they were always that thorn in the side. They were always that country next door that was always causing problems and stuff. And here in the book of Obadiah, Obadiah is prophesying against Edom. And Edom is so full of pride, okay? And they're like, oh, you can't touch us, we're invincible, and so forth, just blabbering on about how great they were. But Obadiah has this prophecy, okay? And you could apply the same thing to the United States today. You could say, the United States acts like, oh, we're so mighty and God can't, do anything to us or whatever. I don't think so. So let's read here, verses 2 through 4. It says, "See, I will make you small among the nations. You will be utterly despised." Okay, kind of funny because Edom was acting all high and mighty. And the prophecy goes, I'm going to make you despised among the nations. "The pride of your heart has deceived you, you who live in the clefts of the rock and make your home in the heights, and who say to yourself, who can bring me down to the ground? Though you soar like eagles and make your nest among the stars, from there I will bring you down, declares the Lord." Okay. They were talking all big and high and mighty, like, who can ever defeat us? Okay. We're the greatest thing since sliced bread. And this prophecy delivered by Obadiah says, no, not going to be that way. Okay. I'm going to bring you down. Okay. The funny thing is, this actually happened. Okay, well, every prophecy that happened in the Bible, it actually did happen. But if you were to walk around today, any place on the earth, I guarantee you, if you walked around and you said, hey, tell me your ancestry, if you went on Ancestry.com and looked up your ancestry, and I guarantee you, any place on the earth today that you go, and you go, hey, where are you from, and your great ancestors and all that, and you'll hear people say, oh, I had German ancestry or British ancestry, or I'm an African, or I'm from Judah, and the people of Israel too can go back and name the tribes they're from, okay? But you're never ever going to hear anyone go, oh, I'm a descendant of Edom, okay? I'm a descendant of Esau. It didn't happen because God just wiped them all out, okay? They were so proud and so prideful and thought, oh, nothing can bring me down. Well, God did bring them down and brought them down so far that it did not exist anymore. Okay? So, I say that all to say, this whole hurricane was kind of a wake-up call to that. we can go, oh yeah, God can't do anything. Well, God can send this hurricane and cause all kinds of destruction. And hopefully that was a wake-up call to you to go, oh, you know what? God can really do a lot of damage in a short amount of time. And maybe I need to repent and turn to him. Okay? So hopefully it's a wake-up call. And hopefully as a church it was a wake-up call that the church is doing more to reach others. Okay? So, hey, thanks for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we conclude this series on the benefits of Hurricane Ian. Lord's blessing. I'll see you tomorrow.